became later for your, oh, you have the card? The tax refund card?
Yes,
oh, okay. When you buy over 50 euro, became in the shop 15% back.
Over 50 euro?
Yes,
okay.
when you buy over 50 euro, 15% back. Okay, you see this is the first clock in the Black Forest in the year 6040. This clock is a very simple one, you can see here on the side. And this clock has a weight stone and one hand. 50 years later came this one in the year 1690. This clock has two metal weights, a metal pendulum and two hands. This is a hand-painted clock, you can see on the picture. And this is a very funny one. The name for the clock is Mother and Lie clock, you can see here. Okay, the first big cuckoo clock is this one. In the year 1860, this clock has two metal weights, a wooden pendulum and two hands, and cuckoo sound. For example, 3 o'clock came to cuckoo 3, 4 o'clock came to cuckoo 4, also 1. See? 4 o'clock. And half past came to cuckoo 1. Okay, you see this is the material. The material is lime wood. Lime wood is very soft for the carvings, but before we can start with the carvings, dry the wood 3 years because this wood is very wet inside. You see here the metal stencil lie on the wood and spray the paint and cut out of this machine. Okay, the next step is for the carver. All carver works with these tools in a different size. And you can see here the block for the deer and the block for the hunter. And you can see here the different. Okay, go on, please. You can see we have 4 different mechanical movements. The first one is for the small weight. The small weight wind up every day. This one is for the small weight, but this disc here is for the dancer, and this movement is with music. This one is for the bigger weights. The bigger weights wind up once a week, and the last one is for the bigger weights of music. Okay, this is the music box. This is not loud in the hand, but you light the music box on wood. It's much louder. You can see here the bellows for the cuckoo. Different size. Okay, and you can see here the difference for a clock with 2 weights and 3 weights. 2 weights is no music and 3 weights is with music. You see? 1 for the time and 1 for the cuckoo, and 1 for the time, 1 for the cuckoo, and 1 for the music. Okay, you can show you the clock. You can see here real water on the inside. For the cuckoo clock, that's where we stay. And this is the guarantee card. We have 2-year international guarantee for the mechanical cuckoo clock. And we have all over the world service center written on the back side for your guarantee card. The guarantee card is only for the mechanical cuckoo clock, no for the battery operator. Okay, that's all. Have a nice time. You go this way, please, in the shop.
Thank you.
多地方行咯喎。
It's my mom.